All right, here's the one of the newest boxes of 2015-16 Revolution. It's a brand new set for Panini this year. So it's actually got it for my birthday here. So hopefully we'll get something good. So let's get started. Panini Revolution. I don't think there's any. I don't think there's any autographs. I'm not really opening this correctly. I don't think there's any autographs guaranteed per box, but some neat inserts, so I guess we'll see how many packs there are. Oh, it's about 8 packs, so here we go, Panini Revolution. Well, that's kind of a neat. Kobe. Yep. Joe Johnson. And my lighting's getting kind of messed up here. So the glare is kind of messing up my camera. New Wave Rodney Hood. Oh, this one is caught. Oh, that's a nice little insert. Scottie Pippen insert. Kyle Anderson, New Wave. Three packs left. D-Wade. Justice Winslow rookie. Alright, last pack. Hawaii. Alright, cool. Thanks for watching.